Hello everyone. Today we will solve question number 6 from chapter 1 sets exercise 1.4 CBSE class 11 maths. So let us start question number 6. If A is equal to set of element 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and B is the set of element 7, 9, 11, 13 and C is the element set of element 11, 13, 15 and D is the set of element 15, 17. Find first part A intersection B. So solution A is equal to A is equal to is the set of element 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and B is the set of element 7, 9, 11, 13. So we see हम देखते हैं कि common elements are 7, 9, 7, 9, 11, 11, 7, 9, 11. Hence A intersection B is equal to set of elements 7, 9, 11. Now second part B intersection C. Solution B is the set of element 7, 9, 11, 13 and C is the set of element 11, 13, 15. 11 and 13 are the common elements to both sets. Hence B intersection C is equal to set of element 11 and 13. Now we will do the next part. So question number 6, third part, A intersection C intersection D. Solution A is the set of element 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. C is the set of element 11, 13, 15. एलिमेंट कॉमन टू बोथ ए एंड सी में कॉमन क्या है इज ओनली 11 जो है वो सिर्फ कॉमन है दोनों में हैंस ए इंटरसेक्शन सी इज इक्वल टू सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट 11 and given D is equal to 15, 17. So no element is common to A intersection C and D. Hence A intersection C intersection D is equal to 5. Empty set. Now fourth part A intersection C. We have already find in question number 6 third part that A intersection C is equal to the set of element 11. Now fifth part B intersection D. So B is the set of element 7, 9, 11, 13 and D is the set of element 15, 17. We see that no element is common to both. दोनों में कोई भी कॉमन नहीं है. Hence B intersection D is equal to empty set 5. Now sixth part A intersection B union C. Solution B is equal to set of element 7, 9, 11, 13 and C is the set of element 11, 13, 15. So first B union C is equal to say elements in both the sets. We have to taken once. So 7, 7, 9, 9, 11, 11, 13, 13. And here 11 already taken and 13 already taken and 15. And given set A is the with element 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So we see that common elements to A and B union C are इन दोनों में कॉमन एलिमेंट्स क्या हैं 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11. Hence A intersection B union C is equal to 7, 9, 11. Now seventh part A intersection D. Solution A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. D is equal to 15, 17. No element is common to both. A और D में कोई भी एलिमेंट कॉमन नहीं है. Hence A intersection D is equal to empty set 5. Now eighth part A intersection B union D. A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13. And D is equal to 15, 17. So first B union D. B और D में 7, 9, 11, 13. अब D में 15, 17, 15, 17. तो सभी एक एक बार हैं, तो इसलिए सभी एलिमेंट्स हमने इसमें लिख लिए. नाउ कॉमन एलिमेंट टू ए एंड बी यूनियन डी आर. अब ए और बी यूनियन डी में देखिए कॉमन एलिमेंट्स क्या हैं. 3 नहीं है, 5 नहीं है, 7 यस, 9 यस, and 11 yes. So common elements to A and B union D are 7, 9, 11. Hence A intersection B union D is equal to 7, 9, 11 within braces. Now ninth part. A intersection B union C. We find A intersection B is equal to set of elements 7, 9, 11 in question number 6, first part. And also we find B union C is equal to set of elements 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 in question number 6, sixth part. So we see that common elements to this and this, A intersection B and B union C are, देखिए 7, 7, 9, 9, 11, 11. 3 elements 7, 9, 11. Hence A intersection B union C is equal to 7, 9, 11 within braces. Now 10th part. A union D intersection B union C. Solution. A is the set of element 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. D is the set of element 15, 17. And so A union D, A और D की union. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 और D के element 15, 17. Now B given with the elements 7, 9, 11, 13 and C is equal to 11, 13, 15. So B union C is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13 और 11 ऑलरेडी आ गया, डुप्लीकेट है. 13 ऑलरेडी आ गया है, डुप्लीकेट है. तो 15, ये 15. सो नोट दैट कॉमन एलिमेंट्स 11, 13 हैव बीन टेकन ओनली वंस, विच वाइल राइटिंग बी यूनियन सी. नाउ वी सी दैट कॉमन एलिमेंट्स टू ए यूनियन Now we see that common elements to A union D and B union C are. अब इन दोनों में देखिए B union C और A union D, इनमें कॉमन क्या है. तो हम देखते हैं कि A union D and B union C are 7, 9, 11, 15. ये 4 एलिमेंट कॉमन है. Hence A union D intersection B union C is equal to 7, 9, 11, 15 within braces. अगर आपको इसमें कोई डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट्स लिखिए और इसके साथ ही बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू.